Go ahead.
Yeah!
They're all around the truck.
No, they're shooting high.
Shooting way high.
High! You're terrible. It's terrible. I'm just waiting on the one that's gonna bust it. Oh, that was so close. Oh! Yes!
That was Casey too.
Yeah!
Fuck yeah!
Fucking awesome.
Here comes the cops. Yep. How loud was it? I had my ears
There is
plugged.
no
Yeah,
truck
I don't
left.
know.
I told you it wouldn't be.
That was nice.
That was.
Been there, done that, across the border.
I got it! Where's the 5-gallon bucket at? I got it. Is this it right here? Huh?
Oh yeah, hole in the ground.
No, really? The tracer? Yeah, we saw the tracer hit it. Hey, Lance.
Hey, he can get his
We got the tracer? Yeah.
Fuck yes, dude.
Was it, Lance?
Look at it, crack on it.
Smells like bad fuel.
No, I got a tracer.
I cannot believe you moved up this much. I really can't.
Hell yeah.
Dude, they say you can see a tracer just hit it.
That's
the last bullet in the gun, and I shot it with the last bullet.
It looked like it fucking